Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to redeem OnePay rewards at Walmart. First, open the OnePay app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access your rewards. Once the app is open, look for the rewards section. This is usually easy to find on the main screen or in the menu. Now tap on the rewards section to open it. Here you will see your available points. At the top right of the screen, you will find an option that says Redeem. Tap on that option to continue. Next, the app will ask you where you want to redeem your points. You will see a list of options. From this list, select OnePay Cash. This option will convert your points into money. After you select OnePay Cash, confirm your choice. The app will then process your request. Once it is done, the money will be transferred to your OnePay card that is linked to your account. This usually happens quickly, but in some cases it may take a short time. Now that your money is on your OnePay card, you can use it at Walmart. Open your Walmart app or go to the Walmart website. Add your OnePay card as a payment method if you have not already done that. Once the card is added, you can select it during checkout. Now you can use your redeemed rewards to pay for any purchase at Walmart. Thanks for watching.